Right, let's get started here at Lea Hall with the departure of 350-112, going out with the 12 o'clock West Midlands Railway service, Birmingham International. First fast action of the session is a Voyager working from Manchester Pick to Bournemouth. Right, another fast action should be a Pendo working up to Euston. Should be yeah, should be 2 350s. 256 and 106. 350, 256 and 350, 106. Just to confirm, that was 221 111. Yeah, 221 111 working the 1222 West Coast service from Wolverhampton to Birmingham New Street. We've got one more service, well, two more services this session. First one being the 1227 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. I'm pretty sure that's coming from Preston. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is going to be coming from Preston. I'm just trying to check the numbering. And that's going to be Voyager as well. I've not got the numbering for that, so not going to see any transport for us or Pendolinos this session. Then it will be our train, which is coming in just now, the 1228 to Rugeley Trent Valley. So looks like this is going to finish us up here at Lea Hall, and that is 350 122. Working down to Rugeley. Right, that's us done here at Lea Hall.